princess, get in line. Oh, I see. Hey, Kiara.
Yes? Hi! Oh!
Ah, shit.
You didn't hit me!
Show me where is the money emoji. Where is the money emoji? Fuck it, pizza.
Get down! Ooh, spooky little, is it like an outhouse or something? Nah, I'm just kidding. This is like where they put the, ooh, a candy cane.
That's where they put the chop wood.
This is where they store the bodies.
Huh? Hello there.
There's a ghost in the sauna! What is this? Cute! That one's good!
Thank you.
Oh, cute!
Real hard.
The fuck?
Nice one, Ina. We got a message for chat?
Okay, ready, Chan? Okay. Ready?
A few moments later.
Dun.
Cute! Oh god,
Man, they say that time flies. I'ma show you what that's like when we play Fall Guys someday. Would you like to collaborate? Seriously, no hate. At that time, we can have a real debate. So what do you say, Kronii, my mate?
What? Freestyle! You have to rap that.
Helicopter!
Kronii and Mumei are next to me. Yay! Hi, girls.
A sandwich? Hello.
I'm the jam.
Chicken sandwich.
Excuse me.
From? Wait, who's it from?
We'll find out after we see it. What is it?
You like it?
You like it? It's crazy. What is it? Cute. Yeah, who do you think did it, Mumei? Who do you think made that one? It's kind of hard to guess, huh?
I
It was you.
That one.
Oh, I'm a guy. Thank you, forever. Oh, who do you think made this one?
Love that.
It was Ina! Past Ina! Are you put it on the tree? There she goes! Cute! It's a mini Fauna! Oh wow! It's a snow globe! It's got a little iris! Yeah, Ina! Open the box! Whoa, she opened it! Ooh! It's a thing you're building in Minecraft! I've seen this one, so it's it really is a surprise. And what is this? What is that? It's got pepperonis or something on it. Is this pepperonis?
Here we go.
Ooh.
Hey, what's this? Hold on, give me the one. Yes. Hold on.
Can't reach.